I got a new coffee cup. It's a thermos, so it keeps the coffee warm, but it can also keep drinks cold, and it tells you the temperature at what it is. This bad boy has a smart LED temperature display, and it will show the exact Fahrenheit or Celsius instantly when you tap it. The inside has double wall vacuum insulation. That means it'll keep the drinks hot or cold for up to 12 hours. So my workday is about 7 hours from when I get the coffee till when I'm done with it. So we'll go get some coffee in the morning, fill this thing up, 2 shots of espresso, 1 at the bottom, and then the vanilla latte 8 ounce, and then another shot of espresso on top, close the lid, and that's that. The temperature sensor picked up the reading pretty fast, and it constantly updated it until it was at the max temperature. This was probably around 7 a.m. when I went to go get coffee, and then finishing around like 3 p.m. Now the coffee wasn't hot at the end of the day, but it was still very warm. So that's about 7 hours. This thing says 12 hours. It'll keep your coffee warm for like the whole workday. The bottom is stainless steel. The top is a hard plastic. So that means it should be pretty durable. And it's got this little tag right here that you can just hold on to. Or you can let it hang so you let everyone know that you got a little coffee thermos. It's pretty small. It's something that you could probably throw in a bag. It is sealed on top, so just chuck it in there. Take it to the gym. I guess you don't have to put coffee in it. You could put your protein mix in here. So I partnered with Elecstrix to try this thing out, and I think I would use it on the daily. Not for any workout stuff or travel, but probably at my home office. When I say home office, I mean like my work office, my work's office, not my office. We just have multiple branches. And then maybe I would take it to the other branches. I mean, I don't know, it is really travel friendly. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below. Let me know what kind of coffee mug you use. I'm curious to see what other options are out there. But this is it in real time. So coffee little thing, you can unscrew it and then just open it up. I have water in here right now. I'm just testing out some cold water. And then you have the seal on the top, and then you got the lid with the little thermometer thing in there. And then the lid part has, well, mine is like a gold. And you just press it back, lift it up, boom, start sipping out of there. And the temperature sensor is just on the top, and you just tap it. And my hand's probably wet, but it's like 19 degrees on the bottom side. So there you go. There it is, y'all. Tell me what you think about the coffee mug below.